Guys, what's up? This is Mark. Sweating my balls off right here, so check it out. Today I just got done detailing my 2015 CanAm Maverick Turbo XDS. Super nice quad. I love it. I've ridden it a crap load of times. Every time I ride it, I come home and wash the hell out of it, detail it, and she's a beauty. As you can see, all the undercarriage is very nicely cleaned and armor-alled. The headlights are in great shape. There's a few scratches, obviously. With this kind of vehicle, you're gonna get a few scratches and wear and tear here and there because, why? It's an off-road friggin' machine. It's not a friggin' parking lot queen. Crack right there. Seats are in great shape. Obviously, I keep my shit really clean. This is a turbocharged engine. This is very fast. Super kick-ass vehicle. I love it. So much fun. You'd be surprised at how much travel these control arms have as far as going off, like, berms and stuff like that and down in ditches. It's insane. But I have a brand new roof on it right from CanAm. I got a huge light bar up front. These are oversized tires. It's got Fox shocks on it. I did have my buddy do this, who owns a graphic shop, carbon fiber wrap right here to accent the hood. It really gives it a nice, feel to it. The intercooler's right here. So ram air right from there. It's got the WetSounds soundbar. This is I want to say, I forget how much this is. I think $1,000 or something like that. It's so goddamn loud, it's crazy. I got my pig spotters, as you guys call them, right there. I got a net for the back. I got installed, my buddy Brad and I installed some rear LED lights for backup and whatnot. Everything's in great shape. There's not really any mechanical damage or component damage as you see on a lot of these vehicles. All your axles, tie rods, control arms and everything are in great shape. I was up to a 5-minute video. I forgot to put my damn phone on fucking airplane mode, and a buddy of mine called me right in the 5-minute mark. Oh my God, I was so pissed off. Anyways, so here it is right here. You got a few scratches up front. Right there, a few bumping spots right now. I put a different bumper on here. This is off of a regular Maverick, just because I don't like the way the turbo one looks. It just looks stupid to me. So a buddy of mine, Brad, who's a friggin' genius at, electrical and all that crap, who helped me wire up all this crap, gave this bumper to me. He has a 13 Maverick, so that's what it's off of. Your skid plates are in great shape. It's got a little bit of hours on it and mileage, but for what it is, it's mostly street driven. It was mostly trail driven and street driven in West Virginia, I believe it was from, or whatnot, or Tennessee, I don't know. Fox shocks. A kick-ass friggin' ride, dude. Kick-ass ride. It's got all your lights right here, high and low beams. Everything works on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys for a ride, and hopefully that explains enough to you where I can show you, But yeah, this is it. This is the 2015 CanAm Maverick. Interior's in great shape, glove box in great shape. I keep all my tow rope, my towels, my armor-alls, my tool kit right there. And I got a few other different things like zip ties and whatnot if I'm gonna need those in the woods. You never know when you're gonna need a zip tie to hold something together, or, create a tourniquet because you cut your damn armor off because this heavy-ass machine fell on top of you. Here's the roof, here's the undercarriage. You guys can see all that, but everything's in really good shape. Very good shape for what this is. So a few scratches on the X right there, but let me take you guys for a ride. Oh my God, you're not gonna believe how freaking humid it is out here right now. It's crazy. So to start this, you get your on button, or your on key switch, push this foot on the brake, start. Sounds kick-ass, really cool ass. 260 hours, which equates to about 2,878 miles. So there it is. Here's all my switch for the light bar up front, super bright. The back ones right here, your tail whip, I have those for the rear ones right there. There's a lot of work and a lot of aftermarket accessories into this Maverick. So I'm selling it at a kick-ass price. You guys pass the word around. I love you, my YouTube channel. You guys are kick-ass, honestly. And it's a blast to drive. I get your hands-free thing right here for on the steering wheel, so to change your music and whatnot. And it's just awesome. Buckle your seatbelt, it says. So you got to buckle that because it's got a safety thing to where if you don't buckle your seatbelt, it doesn't go fast. And so I'm going to do that. This sport mode right here, you got DPS is it's dynamic power steering. Makes a huge difference, guys. When you're using that on the road and you do dynamic power steering, if you're on like some heavy trails and whatnot, you put it on level 3, and it's just a world of difference. Like, you get so much power steering between all the heavy rocks trying to obstruct your tires and stuff like that. And then when you go on the road, you put on like level 1 or level 3, vice versa, whatever it is, and it's like insane power steering. Like, it's so incredibly agile that you have to really fine tune. You don't know how much of a difference it makes until you go from trail, heavy rocks and mud or whatnot, to street. Huge difference. I'm glad CanAm came out with that, and I love it. So you push the button right here, and DPS max, you hold it down for 2 seconds, DPS min, DPS medium, and that's it. So I like to keep it on minimum when I'm on the street, and maximum, I remember now, maximum when I'm in the woods, because you want a lot of power steering and whatnot. So this is just a switch I installed right here for whatever reason, whether you have like a, I don't know, it's my Eleanor switch for my Gone in 60 Seconds, kick-ass, go baby go, so I like it. 12 volt for your cigarette lighters for cars that are phone charging, four-wheel drive, electronic four-wheel drive. Let's go for a ride. They say to keep this in low till about 30 miles an hour, and that's it. So here we go. You can hear that turbo spooling. Listen. So anyways, that concludes my video. Hope you guys like it. Hit me up. This is Mark signing out. I almost flicked you guys off. This is Mark signing out. 540-848-2974. Hope you guys like it. Check it out.